this demonstration, we'll work through a couple of examples on how to perform a manual stock adjustment in the Warehouse Management app, including how this syncs with Unleashed. To get started, let's start by tapping on Stock Adjustments in the home screen and then the Manual tab. Here you'll see the Add Adjustment button at the bottom of the screen. Let's tap on that. Like with any adjustments, we want to add the adjustment reason. Next, I'll search for the product, and then choose whether I'm increasing or decreasing the quantity. After that, I'll search and select the location of the adjustment. Once confirmed, I'll enter the adjustment quantity. This is a new product, so I'm increasing the quantity from 0 to 10. When I'm happy with the details, I'll tap Complete, and to finish, tap Submit Stock Adjustment. Great, we've been taken back to the Manual Stock Adjustments section and can see a new stock adjustment, number 374, has been created and is displayed at the top of the list. Let's double-check the product stock has amended. Go back to the home screen and tap on Product Lookup. Type in the product name in the search bar and then open that product. Nice, we can see that the stock has updated from 0 to 10. Next, we'll perform a decrement stock adjustment. We'll be following the same steps as before, but instead of choosing Increase, we'll be choosing Decrease in the adjustment type. Once we've filled in all our details, we'll submit the adjustment. For this example, we're going to take a look at how this syncs with Unleashed. We'll navigate to Inventory, Transactions, and Stock Adjustments, and filter by Completed. And now we can see that adjustment we just created. And when we open it, we can see that the quantity has decreased by 2. And that's the end of the demo. We've looked at a couple of examples of how to manually update stock in the Warehouse Management app and how that syncs with Unleashed. For more help, visit our support center or contact our support team. Thanks for watching.